Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We did get some more selling today, and we do have some sell signals on these indexes. Okay, so we're going to go right into it. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, so let's take a look at the Dow. Okay, guys, so we got a sell signal on the Dow right here. So we got a red candle that came in today on the Dow. All right, so right here, guys, on the Dow right here, we have a red candle. So we have a sell signal on the Dow. All right, so we have sell signal on the Dow. Red candle, that is a big deal. Okay, that is a big deal. So red candle, sell signal on the Dow. Okay, right here. So here was our buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Broke resistance, previous resistance becomes support, red candle here on the Dow. Not good. All right, on the IWM, the Russell, so small caps, we have a red candle here. That's not good. All right, for the Russell, IWM, small cap. On the S&P, we still have green candles here, so buyers are still in control on the S&P. And on the NASDAQ, all right, NASDAQ is strong, holding firm, okay? But we do have two red candles on the Dow and on the IWM, the Russell. So 2 out of the 4 indexes, we've got sell signals. So right now we have a sell signal in equity markets, okay? So we will not send out any additional alerts in equities. Okay, this is a big deal, all right, especially coming into, all right, what's the day, the 15th, right? We're halfway into December, all right? So we're, a couple more weeks, Christmas rally will be done, okay? So that selling is coming in right on time, okay? Right on time, all right? All right. Equity markets were down, so the Dow was down 267 points for the day. NASDAQ was down, S&P was down, and the Russell was down. So across the board, all right, across the board, the indexes were down. The VIX is up, not by a lot, right? It was down, what was it, around 13 and change, bumped up to 15, all right, 87. If the VIX continues to move higher or equities, these indexes move lower, VIX will make a move higher, and we need that VIX to stay below 20. But there's a good chance, based on the selling that's coming in, the VIX will continue to move higher. 20 is right about here. Let's bring that in. So we really need to pay attention to equities. All right, so 20 is right here. If it gets past 20, that will be a major concern. We're right here at 1587. Let's call this 16, okay? All right, we have more sectors that are moving lower. That's not good for equities, okay? More sectors that are moving lower. We only have 5 sectors that are still holding, right? Holding long. So communication services, tech, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, right? That's good for fourth rally, and telecom. That's about it. All the other sectors here are moving lower. That's not good for equities. Okay? All right. So major concern, right? Like I said, red candles here. So we have a sell signal in equities. All right, so our stock boss traders, bull master traders, and bull master pro traders, be aware. All right, positions. If you're in any alerts, any positions, just be aware of what's going on there. Now, our US 30 traders, all right, E-mini traders, you guys should be on high alert. All right, for short opportunities. Okay, and we'll go through some short opportunities in the US 30. Okay. Let's take a quick look at The Mag 7 right here. In particular, most of the Magnificent 7 stocks are holding. Tesla's continuing to trade really, really well. All right. But NVIDIA, I want to show you guys, NVIDIA here is breaking through a big support here. Okay. So NVIDIA is breaking down, guys. Okay. So we have sellers coming here. All right. Broke through a big support here. Next support level on NVIDIA is big support. Let's bring that in right about here. It closed today. All right. Our sell signal came in right here. This was back in, what's that? The 29th of November. All right. So since then, we've had a sell signal and we've been making lower highs, lower lows. Again, it broke a big support here. Next level of support for NVIDIA is right about here. Okay. So it came from 150 to now 130. That's 20 points. That's a big drop. Okay. Next, like I said, next big area of support, you might get some support right in this area here. Okay, so let's bring that in. What number is that? The real number is here, right at 100, guys. Okay, no, I'm not saying it will make its way all the way down to 100, but that is the next area here of support. Right, it might stall right here at about 117, 120 right here. All right, so keep that in mind. Bitcoin keeps moving higher, guys. Look at this. All right, Bitcoin keeps moving high on the daily time frame, right at 106. Okay, and on the weekly time frame, also 106. Good price action here. However, if the equity markets move lower, that will put pressure on Bitcoin. Dollar index just holding right here on the weekly. No major moves in the dollar right now. On the daily time frame, dollar index just holding right here. Okay. All right. Forex. All right. So our monster scalper traders. All right. We will go in long. All right. In these yen pairs, we saw some really good traction. But they've slowed down a bit. Okay, so we have selling coming in on the 60. You guys should have seen that coming. All right, we talked about that today. Several of those trades on the 60-minute time frame in the yen pairs closed. Okay, we do have alerts on the 240. We'll see how those are holding up. Okay, but we have sellers, right, guys, in the Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs. Right, on the daily, sellers here on the 60-minute mixed. All right, mixed. We're starting to get some consolidation, not a lot, on the 240. All right, daily, not bad. 60, not bad. Okay, but we're mixed. All right, we've selling coming in on the Aussie, yen, and Kiwi pairs. All right, all right. Let's go through current positions. Okay, current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. And most of these trades, we should see sell signals or exit signals, okay, to get out. All right, let's see here. So EUR, JPY, Euro, JPY. All right, so buy signal was here, guys, on a break of this resistance. Sell signal, red candle, we should be out. So Euro, Yen, buy signal here, sell signal here. Close the trade, please. All right, Swiss Yen, buy signal here, sell signal. Close the trade, please. Swiss Yen. All right, so very choppy. SGD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle. All right. A quick look at pound yen, guys. Pound yen on the weekly time frame is holding right here. Okay. So we could see, hopefully we break through this downward trend line, get some buyers to come in, and we might start moving again on the weekly time frame. On the monthly time frame, pound yen, right at resistance, we need to break through. But just be careful, right? Because pound yen tend to go with the equity markets, okay? However, we get a buy signal here, all right? Buy signal on a break of this resistance. Now, we are a long ways away from that. We could get a buy signal. So SGD, JPY, sell signal here. We'll close that for now. Dollar yen, buy signal here. Good trade here. Dollar yen, buy signal here. Sell signal, red candle. Good trade there. Dollar yen. All right, CAD yen. All right, buy signal here in a break of resistance. Broke support right here. Red candle. Sell signal. Close the trade, please. That's CAD yen. Pound yen. Buy signal here. Sell signal. Close the trade, please. And that's pound yen. If it breaks resistance, we might get another buy signal. Okay, so pound yen, close the trade, please. Euro CAD, holding firm. All right, so buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right, good price action, holding firm. Euro CAD. All right, Euro Aussie. All right, another good trade here. Surprisingly, these are doing fine, right? All right, clearly in the markup phase, buy signal here. Euro Aussie doing fine there. And then Euro New Zealand. All right, buy signal here. It's just holding for now. But yeah, Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, and Euro New Zealand. And so we'll look for Euro New Zealand to break out. Okay, break out right here. All right, so buy signal here, all green candles. We need a break through that resistance. Okay, New Zealand CAD, buy signal here, holding. All right, so here is your resistance. Buy signal here. We need to break through that resistance, reaccumulation phase there. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could add to that position and your mark down here. All righty. New Zealand dollar, let's see. All right, sell signal. So buy signal here completely failed. So buy signal was a break of this resistance right here. Red candle, we should be out, okay? All right, difficult trading there. New Zealand Swiss. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Broke support, red candle right here. We should be out, okay? We should be out. New Zealand Swiss. All right, so that's on the 60-minute time frame. Let's bring in the 240. And we'll go through equities to make sure, right, we clean things up. Equities, okay? So monster scalper on the 240-minute time frame. Remember, if we start seeing more selling in equities, that will help Forex, okay? That will help the Forex market. All right, Euro yen, all right? So Euro yen, and this trades in the yen pair should hold much better, all right, on the 240 right here. Okay, so Euro yen. All right, good markdown phase, buy signal here, guys, on the 240, Euro yen, a bit of a pullback, and held, buyers are coming in, all right, so holding firm target all the way up there, all right, ZAR yen, all right, ZAR yen closed, guys, so good markdown phase, buy signal was right here, all right, on a break of this resistance, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please, almost made it to its target. Okay, so not a bad trade here. ZAR yen, Close the trade, please. All right. SGD-JPY still holding. All right, we can remove this. All right, so buy signal here, good markdown phase. Buy signal, all green candle, got a nice bounce. All right, after our white candles here, nice current green candle here. Remember, 240-minute time frame. Our target is still here. SGD-JPY holding firm. Swiss yen, that one closed, totally collapsed. All right, buy signal here. We have a red candle right here. Close the trade. Swiss yen. And we have a new down here. Sellers are coming in there. All right, Aussie yen. Buy signal here. Red candle. That's too bad. Aussie yen. For Aussie yen, close the trade, please. All right, CAD yen. All right, so CAD yen buy signal was here. All right, broke support. Previous resistance is support. Red candle. Close the trade, please. All right, pound yen. Pound yen is holding firm. Buy signal here. All green candles holding firm. So the yen pairs are mixed on the 240, guys. HKD JPY. This one is holding. Good trade here, guys. Good markdown phase. All right, we have a couple of our new traders that are in this trade doing really well for their first trade, okay? I think Antonio is in this trade. So good job, Antonio, holding on to your trade here. HKD JPY, buy signal here. All right, a bit of a pullback, holding firm. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that, right? So we are getting overbought here, but still pay attention to your candles, color of the candles here. So green candles, nothing to do, target all the way up here. HKD JPY. TRY JPY, bit of a pullback, white candles, buy signal here. All right, we need buyers to continue to push higher. Target is up here. All right, Aussie New Zealand, that trade closed. So buy signal here, red candle, close the trade, please. Aussie New Zealand. All right, we did that all on its own there. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is breaking out. Okay, so look at dollar CAD, guys. Buy signal was here, right? It had some red candles, got back in about right here, and that is breaking out. Right? Forex has no consistency right now, guys. It's just doing what it wants to do. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here, holding. All right, USD DKK, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. Okay, so there's no consistency with this market. New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, sell signal. Horrible trade there. All right, so clean things up, right? We still have several of the yen pairs that is holding, all right, the markup phase. Forex dominator, let's take a look on the daily time frame. I don't think we looked at this the other day, so we'll take a quick look. And these are the dollar pairs long, okay? In Forex dominator. All right, USD CNH, let's see how it's doing. All right, so far, so good. Dollar pairs, all right, on the daily time frame, right? These are big macro trades. USD CNH, buy signal here, holding firm. Dollar CAD, USD CAD, good trade going here. Buy signal here, look at that price action on dollar CAD. Good, big trade here, all right, for how many pips is that? Almost 900 pips, guys. Good trade going here. USD, SGD, good trade. Buy signal here. We need to break through that resistance. Here it is right here. Buy signal was here. Holding, we need to break through. USD, SGD. USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Buy signal here. Holding all green candles. Here is your markdown phase. USD NOK, right? At resistance, we need to break through. All right. USD SEK, holding firm. USD DKK, holding from here right at resistance. So the dollar pairs in Forex Dominator doing fine. USD HUF buy signal all the way down here and trading well up here. Keeps moving higher. We need to break through near-term resistance right here. All right, so those trades are doing well. Dollar pairs in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. All right, we have some shorts, a couple of shorts in Forex Dominator. These yen pairs, let's see how they're doing. All right, so Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen right here. All right, so short here. Now, as the market, equity markets moves lower, that might help, right? This yen short. Okay, so short here, still holding, but a white candle, sellers coming back in. That's good. And then New Zealand yen. All right, sell short signal here. White candle, sellers are coming back in. We need that price to get down to support here and break through. Okay, so we only have two shorts. All right, in Forex Dominator. Okay. All right, our US 30 traders. We're gonna go through some of these E-minis, okay, and then we look at equities, and then we might take a quick look at Monster Scalper, and then we'll be done. Okay. All right, our US 30 traders. There was a great short trade here, all right, on the 60-minute time frame. Those of you who took that trade or traded even on the 5-minute, if you caught any of it, good job. Okay. We have a new short that we called. We didn't call this one here, right? This short right here. We did call this short here. So we have a new short on the 60-minute time frame. Right here, guys, it's still holding here. You traded on the 5-minute. Just trade accordingly. We did get, hold on, let's fix this here. All right, we did get sellers on the daily time frame. So let's open this up. All right, on the daily time frame, guys, we got some sellers. All right, so last couple of days, we've had sellers on the daily on the US 30. Here, here, and here. Now, we could get a bounce like we did here, right along that trend line. But if the trend line, they break the trend line, we could see the short on the 60-minute time frame go much lower. Okay, so support is here. So the US 30, 60-minute, good short going so far. NAS 100 as far as shorts, wait, nothing here yet. Okay, on the long close, so wait. All right, they will follow the Dow. All right, and on the S&P Friday 500, all right, we're consolidating right here. So no shorts yet. So the best trade right now is on the US 30 short, okay? All right, as far as the E-minis are concerned. All right. Okay, let's go through current positions in Stock Boss. Now we looked at the Russell, and the Russell has a red candle that will affect the small cap stocks, which are in Stock Boss. Okay, now we've trimmed a lot of alerts already. Okay, so let's see if we can clean some more positions. Okay, all right, we're going to look if it's got green candles. We'll continue to hold those alerts. If we've got red candles, sell signal like we have here, white arrow, sell signal, white candle, we're going to close. Okay, now that we have sell signals, right, on the Dow and on the Dow and the Russell, the IWM, guys, okay, we're going to call a sell in equities. Okay, so We have to be conservative. So if we get any white candles, we're going to close the trade. Okay. Red candles, close the trade. And white arrows, close the trade. So let's go through these. Okay. Symbols will be here, right up here. And the time frame, these are on the daily time frame. Okay. So NAK, holding all green candles, holding firm. JOBY, holding all green candles. HBI, holding all green candles. STKL, holding all green candles. ACDC, white candle here, close the trade. And we have a new down. That's not good. Okay. All right, next one. GNW, white candle here, close the trade. No white candles. All right. SLQT, holding. Oh, SUPV, good job there, holding. All right, AKBA, white candles here. We're going to close that trade there. And we got downs on those. AUPH, holding firm. MDXG, holding. Talk, guys, has a white candle. Good trade here, guys. Buy signal here. Reached its resistance. White candle here. Might as well close the trade. Talk, close the trade, please. Holding firm here. Bark, holding. All right, hold on. All right, let's see here. Bark, holding firm. Let's see here. CTOS, holding firm. Holding. GSAT. All right, so GSAT, guys, white candle here, close it. Buy signal here, white candle, close the trade there. Holding. UNIT, close the trade, white candles there. Purple support and resistance. So clean things up. API, buy signal was here, all the way up here. But guess what? White candles. Right, close the trade, please. CAN, holding. All right, the reason we want to do this is if sellers come in heavy, guys, right, we want to be light, okay, in your systems. COMP, buy signal here, white candles, close the trade, please. All right, this is not the beginning of the buying season. This is the end, okay? All right, so we're going to follow those cycles. EXFY, holding firm. Holding. Oh, good trade here. RGTI, good trade going there, guys. Buy signal was at $1.07. Look at that. Wow. $11.13. Great. Was that 1,100%? Great trade going here, guys. Great trade there. All right. We wish we could catch these all the time like this. All right. And then PBI. All right, white candle here, we're going to close that, okay? So as you go through your systems, with Stock Boss Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro, any white candles, want to close those. Any red candles, definitely close those. White arrows, close those, okay? Now, Bullmaster Pro, let's go through these. Now, we have a few more here, and we're still good on time. Same thing here. White candles, close. Red candles, close. White arrow, close the trade. So it's got to be green candles only. So GameStop, guys. GameStop, still holding GameStop. Look at that. Buy signal here. Broke resistance today. All right. So GameStop continues to perform well. All right. Holding. SHAK right here, white candle here. We're going to close this. Holding all green candles there. Purple support and resistance, guys, that's not a major concern yet, okay? All right, holding. CORZ, close the trade. White candles right here, okay? We could get a bounce, but I have to be conservative right now. All right, holding. DNB, white candles right here, sell signal. Close. Holding, good trade there going. Good trade. FFIV, holding, good. Holding. Boy, that's a horrible chart here. All right, a lot of consolidation in here, not a very good chart. Buy signal was here, all right, so we're going to close that. Not a very good chart, especially as we see selling coming. They've got to be almost perfect, okay? Marvel, MRVL, holding firm, good trade going here. PEGA, holding. Ramp, holding. RBRK, holding firm there. All right, holding. All right, good job. RCL, Royal Caribbean, holding. MDU, white candle here, guys. Right at support too. That's not good. All right, close that trade. TLN, close the trade. I know we are being a bit conservative, but we've done this so many times, guys. So when no guarantee sellers will come in, but it happens a lot this time of the year, and this market has gone up quite a bit. So we need to expect sellers to come in, especially when we see these red candles come in on these indexes, okay? All right, VST, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right, and now Bullmaster Pro, we've been trimming off Bullmaster Pro. So guys, look, you see here, right? Things are light, and we should lighten up as the selling continues, unless we get a big reversal. All right, otherwise, follow the process. ERJ, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. Close the trade, please. FIX, white candles, close the trade. HWM, buy signal here, broke support, red, white arrow here, close the trade. MLR, red candle here, guys, close the trade, sell signal here, buy signal all the way down here. That trade is over. Tesla, we've got Tesla in here. All right, so Tesla, great trade going, guys. Buy signal here on the daily, great trade going. That buy signal came in at 268, trading at 279, a great trade there. And we've had some day trading opportunities, okay, in that symbol also. That's holding. Amazon, so Amazon also looks good. That's part of the Magnificent Seven. All right, so Amazon, that buy signal came in here. Red candle, got back in around 190, trading at 231. All right, holding. CVLT, white candles here, guys. Close that trade. All right, holding. VRT gave a sell signal. Not a bad trade, guys. $92 was the buy signal right about here. Red candle, broke support, wide arrow. All right, close the trade, please. So bought here, sold here. Close the trade. And this one here is holding. So we only have a few more here in Bullmaster, okay? Now I ran heat seeker for stock bars and bull master. We do have their symbols in there, but we're gonna hold off, guys. Again, we have some sell signals, okay? So just so you guys can see here. So stock bars here, heat seeker, I think we had like 50, 53. Okay, but boy, hold off on adding right now. And then bull master, 104. Okay, but we're gonna hold off. All right, hold off for right now. Quick look at monster scalper, and then we'll be done. Okay, we're going to look for some shorts, short opportunities right in here. Let's see what we've got. We'll go through this quickly. Just in the Kiwi, New Zealand, and yen pairs, okay? We've got short signals coming in, but not very good price action. The problem with shorting these yen pairs right now, we're still in the markup phase. So these shorts here, right? This is why we haven't sent out any short signals yet. They can get squeezed. Okay, so a good example would be this one here. All right, so here's your markup phase. Yes, we have a sell short signal here. But guys, every time that price came to that moving average, guess what? All right, or that trend line rather, guess what? All right, sellers get squeezed. Okay, so there's a good chance that this short here could get squeezed. Buyers could come back in. Our overall trend in the yen pairs, especially pound yen, is up. Okay, so just be careful of these shorts. Okay, same like here. This could get squeezed. So they're not quite ready yet. Look at this one here. That could get squeezed. All right, look at pound yen. Pound yen, green candle coming in. All right, so just be careful of these shorts. So we're going to wait. All right, so nothing to do here. Look at it. Not very good price action there. All right, we've gone through these already. I think, when was it? Day before yesterday. Okay, so a lot of consolidation. So you guys know what's going on with Forex. I know it's frustrating, but it is what it is right now with Forex. Okay. All right. So I want to show you guys this. This is why we need to be careful. Okay, this is pound yen. We know the yen pairs will follow pound yen, and it is making higher highs, higher lows on the weekly time frame. Here we are here. If it breaks through there, guys, we could move much higher. So be careful shorting. All right. And on the monthly time frame for pound yen, I mean, we are the high right here. We could easily break through here. Okay, so just be careful. All right. And the yen pairs are holding firm for the most part on the 240. Okay, so just be careful. The big deal is this. All right, the big deal is we have sell signals. Okay, so we have to pay close attention. Take these sell signals seriously on the Dow and on the Russell. If the selling continues, now I know here, if you guys look here, I know these are not red candles, but if you look here on the Dow, all right, it's been making lower highs, lower lows. Now we finally got a red candle here, but guys, look at this. Every single candle here has been moving lower, although they're not red. All right, they're gonna go from green usually to white and then to red. Okay, but if you notice here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. All right, and those are business days, trading days. So basically, for 2 whole weeks, all right, the Dow every day has been moving lower. That's not good. Okay, now it needs to hold. We have a trend line here. It needs to hold that trend line or that moving average, whichever one you want to use. We like using that trend line here. right? It's got to hold that trend line, hopefully get a bounce. If it doesn't, and that trend line coincides with a support line right here, look here, all right? Previous resistance becomes support. Look at this right here. If it breaks that, we could see the Dow move much lower, and that will not help the equity markets. And we have sellers coming in on these sectors. VIX is moving higher, all right? And we're at the end of the buying season, right? End of that Christmas rally. So just be aware of that. All right. All right, guys. I will see. We have our Q&A. We started that up again, right? Traders have been asking for the Q&A. So we've started that up. We'll do that tomorrow. Okay. Same time, 7 p.m. tomorrow. And then again on Thursday, we'll go through the markets. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care. Bye.